Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'm not doing much of anything. I'm just making dinner for two, and this is a 2-ingredient chicken wing recipe. So let's get started. So y'all probably think I'm joking. I got my 2 lemons right here. It depends on how many wings you're making as to how many you will need. I have 6 wings in here. I have my brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Salt and pepper are free ingredients. They don't count. Everybody got salt and pepper in their house. So you're going to take your knife, because I'm not marinating it that long. However, if you're marinating it long, you don't need to do this step. But stab up the chicken. Stab it up so the lemon juice can get down in there. Stab. Stab up the chicken. Then you're going to take your lemon and you're going to zest it down in here. We're going to use the zest and the juice. That's the trick. It's like a 2-for-1, both of them, even though it's coming from the same lemon, they both have different flavors. So it balances out and it's perfect. I'm going to zest both lemons down here, and I'm going to use the juice of both lemons. Make sure you get the stuff off the back. Alright, so I got my lemon zest down in there. Then I'm going to take my brown sugar. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. If not more, I'm probably using a little more than that. But yeah, about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, less or more depending on how you want your chicken to taste. And then I'm also going to go in here with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Watch your salt, guys. High blood pressure is real out there. I didn't even put the whole 1/2 teaspoon. And then you're going to finish this off with your black pepper. Use some good black pepper. I love the real rough looking black pepper. Mix this up. Wait, I'm all missing an ingredient. The lemon juice. Mix this up. Mine is only going to marinate maybe an hour, if that. That's why I poked all kinds of holes up and down through the chicken. Yeah, so you're just going to put the lemon juice. Mix it up, allow it to marinate, and then I'm going to shove it in the oven. And that's it. Alright guys, so I'm about to pop my wings into a 400-degree oven until they're nice and golden and cooked all the way through. And I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright you guys, so this is what my chicken looks like. It's nice and charred. You know, we have that brown sugar down in there. So the pan juices, I'm just going to pour it right over. It's not gravy, it's just pan juices. This just looks and smells great. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple 2-ingredient chicken wing, brown sugar, lemon chicken wing recipe. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.